You've got to help me, Detective Ray.
Don, get in here. What seems to be the problem?
It's my husband. He's been murdered.
Murdered? Huh. Let's go to the scene of the crime.
He's dead, all right, Ray.
Don, you're right. Little lady, tell us about your husband.
Well, he was always sitting down here in the basement. I told him to fix the crack in the floor, but all he did was complain about pain in his chest and shortness of breath. He doesn't even smoke. What does he have to cough over? All he ever did was—
Wait! I think I've cracked the case. Dollface, you ever heard of a little radioisotope called Radon 222?
I think Don's onto something.
You see, Radon 222 is from the decay of uranium-238, which is found in the very bedrock beneath us. Upon breaking down, this toxic gas seeps up into our basements. Anything to add, Ray?
Don, I think you've covered it. Radon is colorless, odorless, and the leading cause of lung cancer among non-smokers. A silent killer.
No!
Pull yourself together, woman! This all could have been prevented if you had just bought a Radon Test Kit. Buy yours today.